we hope that people feel inspired when they come in to Due South. There, for me, is not a greater feeling than when somebody walks in the door and takes this big breath and breathes out and just says, wow, it feels amazing in here. And when they walk in and feel that immediately, it means that we've done something right, and it just feels really good. It's also great to be able to create that sip and shop experience with our coffee shop, that people can come in and grab a drink and walk through.
And I don't think there's really anything greater than someone coming to the counter and they're checking out with their paint or whatever it is that they've found, and they leave saying, "You've inspired me." For us, it's just like, all right, we can go home, turn the lights off, we've done it. Today was a good day.
So our community has been one of the things that has been a huge blessing to us. When we first opened, they were right there, excited to open with us and shop with us and see what Due South was all about. And there was just so many opportunities that we've seen where our community has really supported us in so many ways. And so we are beyond thankful for the people in our community. We hope to be there as often as they are for us, for them. And in so many ways, we could not do this without them.